let's talk about clique and click. These two words have different spellings and different meanings. First, click is related to computers or a small sound. For example, click the link on the website, or click your mouse, or perhaps you hear somebody shut the door very quietly and you heard a small noise. You could say, I heard a click when the door shut. The second meaning of the word clique is a small, closed group of people. For example, the popular girls have a clique at school. That means that they really just hang out with each other.